Hello guys, yeah, we're at Alton Towers Resort today. We're back again to finally ride the Wicker Man. So hopefully we got on it, we'll give our review, and yeah, should be a good day.
Finally, we are going to go on the Wicker Man. Honestly, I've waited so long for this ride. I was so angry that I felt like dressing up in the bear suit and punching our woman.
Nicolas Cage reference. Yep. I'm really excited for this ride. As you can see, it's going around right now. We've got the structure, all the smoke's going, the atmosphere. I'm mega excited for this. This should be brilliant.
Our family has lived in these woods, led by the spirit of the Wicker Man. The elders told us of a day when he would rise to give us freedom and eternal well-being. But to start that ritual, we must present him with a gift. And that gift is you. You and the flames. This time, he is here. What an honor to see yourself bound in wicker, encased in his soul. Can you see yourself in him? The time has come for the Wicker Man to rise. Together, we shall feed the flame. Let the ceremony commence.
Woo! Oh yeah,
We need to stick together.
Alright then guys, so we've just got off Wicker Man. Well, I'm speechless. Absolutely amazing experience. From the pre-show to the ride itself, the theming, that end part as well got you, the drops, it was fantastic. What's your opinion?
It was even better than what I had in mind. I enjoyed it all the way through. I want to go again, and I can honestly say, the Wicker Man is my god.
Absolutely fantastic ride, great experience. Get yourself to Alton Towers to try this wonderful ride, I tell you now.
So
fantastic.
Stop whatever you're doing, get on this ride.
Awesome stuff. Alright, yeah, so we've just come off Wicker Man. We gave you the description of what we thought. Fucking amazing.
Best ride ever.
Best ride in the park, Mark. Definitely best ride. But we're just heading over to Jewel now. See if they've added anything since we've last been here. And then Nemesis and so on. So it should be a good day. It's nice to be back. Thank God there's no snow. That makes a nice change.
No snow.
I wish the rapids were open over here though, because even though it's raining, you can't beat a good old ride in the rapids, can you? So yeah, right over to Jewel now. It'll be good. guys, so we were heading to Jewel, but we made a stop at the Runaway Mine Train. It's a classic. We thought we'd stop and have a ride on it, and so yeah, heading towards Jewel, get a ride on that, see some of the more updates. Choo choo. Oh yeah. Choo choo. You'd have to get a little bit of that in. But yeah, heading to Jewel now. See if we can film some of the inside bits. The paintings are really impressive, so yeah, see if we get some shots of them. So here we are, the second time Alton Towers, about to go on Jewel for the third time now, is it, George?
Yes.
Yeah, so third time now. So we're going to go and have a look at the updates, see if anything else updated. I know they're painting some more figures and things in there, so we'll try and keep an eye out for that. So yeah, should be a good ride. See you guys after. We've just got off Jewel. It was a good ride. It was still the same as it was last time we come over. It does still need some improvements, but nonetheless, still a fun ride, isn't it? So we're going to head over to Nemesis now and Galactica, and then we're going to try and walk over to 13. Hardly any queues today. It's not busy, so good, really.
If it isn't my old Nemesis. Nemesis!
Alright then guys, everyone's just come off Nemesis, so we're just headed towards here, towards Galactica, and we've just seen the new Wasteland Bash show, as seen on Instagram and everything, so it looks quite good. Brief theme from the old Ripsaw ride, and then they had another little ride after that, so hopefully the show's on. If there is, we'll get some footage. If there isn't, hopefully we'll see it in the summer. So yeah, we just stopped for a spot of lunch, got some hot dogs, pretty nice, typical theme box sort of food.
Stale bread.
Stale as it is, isn't it? Yeah, so we're just sat in the Wicker Man area. You've got the Welcome Inn over there, the ride's right behind us. And then we're going to head over to the 13 and Rita as well. So that's the next stop.
Well, to be honest, I hope we get all of this done today. And I really want to try out Galactica because I heard that they VR experience.
Yeah, the VR headsets, you see, so that adds to the experience because it feels like you're flying anyway with the way you're on it. So.
And hearing about the faults that it has, like this happened like I think like around 6 years ago when I went, and it stopped right after it left the queue.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, I think they've got it all up to date now. Should all be sorted for this season. So we look forward to trying the rest of the attractions today. Should be a good day. Lunch, had a bit of a chat, but the day's going really well so far. It's only, what, 1:30 and we've already got loads in, so I'm really pleased about that. So we're going to finally get on 13, the first ride of the season. Already been on Rita, but you know, second ride of the season, it'll be alright. Yeah, so yeah, we'll try and get as much as we can. Anything to say, George?
Well, I'm just chuffed that we missed out on these, because these are like the popular rides. Especially the Smiler, I can't miss out on that.
Definitely get the Smiler in today, Oblivion. So yeah, go on 13 and we'll see you guys after. sector. Everything's actually running this time, there's no snow, thank God. So we're going to go on Smiler, Oblivion, we've done Enterprise, so we're just going to get the coasters done today. As I used to say, the challenge, get all the coasters done in one day, that's what we're going to do. Yep. So yeah, we're going to go on Smiler, we'll get some off-ride footage. Fortunately we can't film one ride, but yeah, should be good.
Seriously, the sun gets stuck in your head,
So last time I spoke to you guys, we're in X sector, so we got all that done. We're basically, haven't got really much else to do, so just got Galactica to do. Then we're going to go back on the Wicker Man because we loved it so much.
Yep.
We'll probably have a little walk around CBeebies Land, we've not been in there before, and yeah, so it's been a very good day.
That's like the highlight of a journey.
Wouldn't quite call it the highlight, but it outlines the area, doesn't it? It gives people an idea.
It totally surpasses Wicker Man.
Definitely, yeah. And on that note, so yeah, we'll have a wander. So experiment was intense. So yeah, so we decided not to go on CBeebies Land. We outlined it mostly what it's all about. Everyone knows.
Yeah, we're two macho men.
Right, George. Anyway, because we loved Wicker Man the first time so much, we're going to head and try it for a second time, definitely. So then second time will probably be better. We know what to expect and all that, but an amazing ride overall, and I really look forward to going on it again. We'll let you guys know what we think after. We'll get some footage of some of the merch in the gift shop. And yeah, can't wait. So yeah, we made a bit of a detour as Wicker Man was unfortunately down, so we headed towards Galactica. We saw the roller coaster restaurant, we thought, well, why not? We'll come in and have a meal, you know, so we'll film some of the things coming down the old roller coaster tracks, which should be pretty cool to see. So yeah, should be a nice little experience. Then we'll go on Galactica after, hopefully. Really good meal, reasonably priced for a theme park, to be honest. Food was excellent, top quality, theming's really good. The way it comes down on the tracks always amazes me, so yeah, 5 stars, really enjoyed it. What do you think?
Very filling, a little overpriced I will admit, but
you think?
It's worth every penny.
Yeah. You know, it's like for theme park food and everything, I think that's, yeah, for the experience, yeah, very, very good overall. Get yourself to Alton Towers. 2 things you've got to check out: roller coaster restaurant and Wicker Man. Put them on the top list.
And CBeebies Land.
For the families, yeah. Alright then guys, had a fantastic day at Alton Towers.
Definitely.
Must say one of the best days I had in a while, do you agree?
Oh, better than last week. No, it was great.
Exactly, no snow, good weather, managed to go on all the rides. I think what tops the list is definitely Wicker Man, 100%. Would you say?
Wicker Man is my #1, Galactica is a close second.
Galactica looks very, very good as well, yeah.
A great finale to our journey.
Absolutely, so yeah, brilliant day. check out our next vlogs. We'll hopefully be at Fort Park and Chesington Wild Adventures. So anyway, check us out on Facebook, check us out on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, lifestyle reviews. Thanks very much. Catch you soon.
See you around, fellas.